Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate the Deluxo in Grand Theft Auto 5. To begin, ensure you have a full garage with 10 vehicles, along with a MOC, or Mobile Operations Center, that includes Vehicle Storage Bay 3. You will also need at least one inexpensive vehicle ready to be replaced. Having these items is absolutely essential before starting the process. Before starting, make sure your Mobile Operations Center has the specialized Vehicle Storage Bay 3, enabling vehicle customization. Confirm that one of your 10-car garages is completely full, ideally with vehicles you do not mind losing. You will specifically need to park your Deluxo inside this full garage. This preparation ensures everything is in place for a smooth duplication attempt. First, drive your desired Deluxo into the full 10-car garage. When prompted, replace any vehicle inside with your Deluxo, confirming it is now stored there. Next, walk out of the garage on foot. Immediately call out your Mobile Operations Center and park it directly in front of the garage door, perfectly aligned. This precise positioning is crucial for the next step. Once your Mobile Operations Center is perfectly aligned, enter it on foot. As soon as you are inside, exit the MOC again on foot. Now, slowly walk towards the 10-car garage entrance. A prompt to enter the garage will appear. Select the option to enter on foot. This sequence often triggers the duplication glitch successfully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.